Hello, my name is Mohammad Ismail Sheikh. I am an RPA developer from Mumbai, India. This is my final project on CS50 Python program. The topic is news on PDF. In this project, I'm using Python and web scraping. I'm scraping news from CNN news portal and creating the PDF copy of the news as per the user request. I'm using Beautiful Soap, Tabulate, and FPDF, popular Python programs. The use case is sharing a news link with anyone is not so interactive. There are advertisement on news pages which can come and distract. There are several web extensions available, but they can capture sidebars and ads also. And the PDF copy will also be large while using web extensions. Let's see how it works. When you run the project, it will scrape all the topics from the CNN portal and display here. You can select any of these topics by entering the respective serial number like this. Once you select any topic, it will scrape all the headlines for that particular news and show it here. Here also you can select any headline by selecting the corresponding serial number. Once it completed, it will. This is the final project, final output. This is the PDF format which you can see. Let's see in action. So this is my terminal. I'm running the project. So here is the menu items. I'm selecting three to select context. Dispatching all the headlines from there. Let's select the first one. You can see the process is successfully completed, and this is the output file. I'm copying the output. Let's paste it here. So this is the web page. I'm getting all these things like author, update, and the headlines. We can verify this by clicking on the link below. So this is the actual news which is on the web page. While running the application, if you type 0 or any negative number, it will directly terminate the process. And if anyone type any wrong input, so this is invalid input. So then this is the error message. Now I'm writing -2 to close the program. So this is how it works. Thank you very much for your time. Thanks.